can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Smooth Love Potion. It's currently down bad in the bear market. Altcoins have not been having a great time in the last 1 week. Smooth Love Potion is down 10.7%. In the last 1 month, Smooth Love Potion has lost 25% of its value. On a yearly time frame, Smooth Love Potion is down 76.2%. How low can we possibly go in this bear market? Smooth Love Potion has been dumping to Goblin Town in its first full crypto bear market. We're back at the lows. Are we going to drop to new lows right now, or are we going to find support before we drop to new lows in this bear market? We'll also be looking at Smooth Love Potion performance against Bitcoin, Smooth Love Potion's performance against Ethereum, and we'll take a look at Smooth Love Potion's market cap sitting at the $93 million level. If we start dumping to Goblin Town, where are we going to find support? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research, study, and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The last 1 month has seen altcoins dumping to Goblin Town. It's safe to say the bear market rally is officially over. It's safe to say we're continuing our dump to Goblin Town. Right now, Smooth Love Potion is down 76.2% on a yearly time frame. That's to be expected, guys. In bear markets, all coins dump to Goblin Town, and they do that very, very well. All coins are very volatile. We see them pumping to the upside in the bull market, but in the bear market, they can dump lower than you think they can ever go. In the bull market, we saw Smooth Love Potion rallying up by around 3,800%. That was good to see. Smooth Love Potion got to an all-time high of $0.4, but that was way back in July of 2021. Right now, Smooth Love Potion is dumping to Goblin Town, and that dump is very aggressive. We have seen Smooth Love Potion lose around 99.5% of its value. Are we going to drop to new lows in this bear market? There's always that possibility. We started the year on a very bright note. We saw Smooth Love Potion pumping up by more than 95%, but we got rejected at the crucial level, and since February of 2023, Smooth Love Potion has been dumping to Goblin Town. We've seen it lose around 43% of its value. Right now, we're closer to the lowest we have traded in this bear market. We can easily be dropping to new all-time lows at any point in time. If we start dropping to new all-time lows, hopefully the $0.0019 level will hold. Hopefully, we're going to see a double bottom, because, guys, if you zoom out to see what Smooth Love Potion has been doing, I believe we're closer to the bear market bottom right now. We have been dumping to Goblin Town since July of 2021. At some point in time, the dump is going to be over. At some point in time, we are going to start pumping to higher prices. But right now, we're deep in the bear market, and your number one job in the bear market is to accumulate, getting ready for the next crypto bull run. As long as Smooth Love Potion doesn't rally above the $0.0034 level, it's safe to say we are still going through bear market accumulation. And guys, worst case scenario, we'll be dropping to new lows in this bear market. I'll be showing you why I believe that might be very, very possible. If we take a look at Smooth Love Potion's market cap chart, Smooth Love Potion's market cap sits around the $93 million level, but that's not the lowest we have seen Smooth Love Potion's market cap go in this bear market. We have seen the market cap drop to as low as $17 million. That happened way back in June of 2022. Even though Smooth Love Potion's market cap rallied back to as high as $240 million, that happened because we saw more Smooth Love Potion tokens coming to circulation. We saw the market cap going up by 1,300%, even though Smooth Love Potion price didn't go up that quickly. Guys, this is why you want to be careful with altcoins. A lot of times, the team can bring more tokens into circulation without informing the investors, and you just see the market cap shooting up in price. At the same time, the price will not be doing anything. Now, if we see Smooth Love Potion's market cap heading back to that $17 million level at any point in this bear market, which is very, very possible, Smooth Love Potion will have to go down by around 81%. From where we're currently trading right now, an 81% dump for Smooth Love Potion, we see it heading further down to Goblin Town, dropping to new lows, dropping to as low as the $0.0004 region. And with altcoins, you never want to say never. crazier things have happened in the altcoin market. Way more crazy things are going to be happening. But right now, as we're dumping to Goblin Town, hopefully Smooth Love Potion's market cap will find support first at the $77 million level. If we don't find support there and we break below that level, we might still find support even at the $40 million region. But if we see Smooth Love Potion's market cap heading below $40 million, guys, it might be lights out. We might be getting ready to see Smooth Love Potion's market cap head back to $17 million for the first time since June of 2022. We're deep in the crypto bear market. Long-term investors are still accumulating, but guys, all coins can be very risky. All coins can be very volatile. Remember not to go all in. If you're accumulating all coins, you want to dollar cost average through the process. You want to take your time. The bear market can be very long and boring. The previous bear market saw us spending around 800 days in Goblin Town. Right now, Smooth Love Potion has been dumping for around 661 days. So even though we're going to spend 800 days, we still have some days to go, around more than 100 days, around 5 months to go before we see the bottom. The bottom can come in anytime. There's no guarantee that we have to wait 5 months to see the bottom. Always have some capital on the side, guys. You never know when the life-changing opportunity will come your way. You never know when you will see Smooth Love Potion dropping to new all-time lows, which might be the very perfect time to buy, getting ready for the next crypto bull run. Take a look at some details about Smooth Love Potion. The last 1 year, it has traded for as high as $0.0098. It has also traded for as low as $0.0019. With the market cap of $93 million, currently ranked 260 on coin market cap, over 285,000 people have Smooth Love Potion on their watch list. If you want to buy some Smooth Love Potion token deep in the bear market, getting ready for another crypto bull run, you can do that on Binance, on Qcoin, on Bitstamp, on Gemini, on SushiSwap, on Gate.io, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Smooth Love Potion right there. If you take a look at Smooth Love Potion performance against Bitcoin, we have dropped to new all-time lows, and right now Smooth Love Potion is deep in Goblin Town against Bitcoin. Guys, this is normal for all coins in the bear market. A lot of all coins lose value drastically against Bitcoin in the bear market. They also do that against Ethereum. Deep in the bear market, you see people running away from all coins. A lot of these all coins were just pumping to higher prices because the price was going up, and people were getting very greedy in the bull market. That's why people are flipping their Ethereum and Bitcoin into Smooth Love Potion, into other altcoins, which push the price up very quickly. In the bear market, the reverse is the case. People sell out of these altcoins, which push the price to the downside very quickly. We're currently new all-time lows for Smooth Love Potion against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And know how volatile altcoins can be? We can easily dump further down to Goblin Town. The altcoin season index is telling us we're heavily in Bitcoin season. History has shown us over time this has been a good time to accumulate altcoins, getting ready for when we're going to go to alt season. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Sentiment in the market right now is neutral. Are you still accumulating Smooth Love Potion, getting ready for the next crypto bull run? How low do you see Smooth Love Potion going before the bottom come in? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.